Hello, this is the 9200 electric. It's 200-ton machines produced in France at the facility of Colmar. We have approximately 50 units today running in the world, and this is the fifth machine in the electric version. So it's not a battery-driven version. It's with a cable behind. You cannot see it because it's underground, but you have a cable, and it's plugged on a 6 kilovolt supply, 97 amperes. And it's exactly the same thing as for the diesel. It's just the engine which is replaced with an electric one.
Okay. What is the capabilities of this machine?
We have a bucket of 12.5 cubic meters at a density of 1.8 ton per cubic meter.
Okay. How many tons is?
It's around 200. It depends the attachment and the different options, but it's around 200, 205 ton.
Depends from the bucket and.
Yeah, because the bucket you can also have a different size depending the density of the material.
Yes.
Depending the wear package, because on this one you have no wear package, but you can have some very armored buckets. So depending of all this stuff, you can move a little bit, but I would say it's roughly 200 ton.
Any futures about this new machine?
It's not a new machine actually. Yeah? It's the number 5, the fifth machine, and Liebherr is producing electrical machines since nearly 30 years.
Wow.
So it's not something new.
Yes. Okay, let's proceed in the cabin.
The room is basically the same as for the diesel one. You just replace the diesel engines in the same place. After you have the splitter box, and here you have the pump side. So splitter box and pump side is exactly the same as for the diesel and for the electric. It's just see that's the cab for the 9200. We have basically 3 different cab size for our range of excavators. For the small one, 9100, 9150 was one size cab. After we have the middle one, and after we have the big one. So the main benefits I would say is the place, is noise cancellation. You have an air conditioning system which is fitted in serial. You can have a double air conditioning in option. You have heating systems. We have also some options when we have cold climate options, while we have special heating inside. You can also have here a sliding window for options for these guys who want to have the open window. It's a pressurized cab, so we have a small ventilator at the back on the other side outside with a filter, which is pressurizing the cab to avoid the dust coming into the cab during the operation. You have a nice round view of the machine. Suspension seated, or air suspension for the seat.
Air suspension.
Yeah, exactly. Electric joysticks, electric pedals, and the rest. We just try to minimize the number of buttons and to everything what can come in front of the operator to have the most free view you can have with the excavator.
Lassen Sie uns nun die wesentlichen Parameter des 9200E zusammenfassen. 210 Tonnen Mining-Baggergewicht, 100% elektrischer Antrieb. Kraftvoller Motor mit 850 Kilowatt. Der 9200E bietet die höchste Produktivität seiner Klasse mit seiner 12,5 Kubikmeter HD-Klappschaufel. Es ist die größte Schaufel an der Klasse 200 Tonnen und hier sehen Sie sie mit dem Liebherr Zahnsystem ausgestattet. Und was wird durch den Elektroantrieb im Vergleich zum Dieselantrieb erreicht? Die Lebensdauer des Motors wird verdreifacht, verglichen mit einem Dieselmodell. Und einige der Hauptkomponenten gewinnen deutlich an Lebensdauer. Arbeitspunkten plus 20%, Verteilergetriebe plus 25%. Und dadurch ist der R9200E auch bei den Kosten pro Tonne ein Champion. Sage und schreibe 20% weniger Kosten pro Tonne als beim Dieselantrieb. Und darüber hinaus, dieser 100%ige elektrisch angetriebene Bagger bietet hohe Leistung und verringert gleichzeitig die Belastung von Mensch und Umwelt durch die Vermeidung von Dieselabgasen und Lärm. Der ökologische Fußabdruck wird dadurch erheblich verringert und der Einsatz ist selbst im ökologisch kritischen Umfeld bedeckungslos möglich. Die Sicherheit wurde natürlich auch im Detail bedacht. Eine 45 Grad Aufstiegstreppe für einen sicheren Zugang zum hochmodernen Fahrerstand. Die Maschine wurde wartungsfreundlich entwickelt, das heißt alle Hauptkomponenten haben wir sicher verstanden. Elektromotor bieten viele Vorteile.
Hat er mehr. Du musst ja Oberlauf zum Köpflehrer.
Das war jetzt schon so cool in so kleineren Sorten.